All right, Katie is outside with her cousin. We gotta go, guys. We gotta go. Clearly, I'm not ready, but we'll get ready in the car. Oh my god, this is... I know. Dude, oh yeah. New characters. This is like Disneyland back here. It's Disneyland. Nathan!
We're on the way to Halloween 82.
Yes, we're on our way. We're at the end of the line. I wish I could do 0.5 with this camera.
Yeah, all that out.
0.5%.
I can't see.
And when we pull up with the P1 skateboard. No. This one's 50% off. Ooh. Yay! P1 Harmony Tour with exclusive PC.
I want the shirt.
Oh, that's cute. Purchase complete. All the pink going on. Okay, over there. Shrek. Are you headshot? No! Is the sun bothering you, twin? Oh, twin!
Dude! Wait, no, you already gave me one. That one's big. This is tiny. They're different. I tried telling her the same thing.
Drink reviews with Emily and her matcha latte.
With Haechan.
An 8 out of 10. 8 out of
1
10?
to 7 out of 10. Dude, he's really cute.
Girl, right, right. You said, let me know if you have any questions. I said, are you single? I'm just
kidding. Is that Nicki Minaj?
No, they just left him here.
That's gonna be so fast.
Bro, you can't say no to Bora.
I literally don't know when I'm gonna see you again.
Stop.
Hi, Sony. Nice meeting you. Oh my god. From the back, it looks so crazy.
That was so much in such little time, but I am back in my room and I do have a small little haul. It was literally everything you just saw. I also was not expecting to go, but Katie had said that she wanted to go and then her cousin wanted to go, Nathan. So we made it a little trip. And I'm really glad I ended up going because I don't know when I was gonna see Amy again. I know I'm seeing Emily again for Psychers, which is literally in 2 weeks. I know I didn't give a proper introduction about what was gonna go on today. It was a quick little LA trip to Ordinary Affair and DDAENG's Halloween Bash event, and it was their first event. So many people showed up. It was so like successful. I'm so proud of them. And it was so fun. There were so many cute vendors. Let's go over the little things we got, starting with this tiny baby bear keychain from Bora Studios. Whoa, that's so bright. Oh, he's so cute. And I've been getting into blue lately, so this is a sign. So I showed earlier, but the only album I got from the Hello 82 sale, this House of Tricky Psychers album, the version I don't have. I have the blue one, which is Minjae signed, and this is what I was missing. So I still don't even have like their debut album, but we'll get to that. So we'll unbox that in just a second. But then I also, oh my god, Bora is so nice. Do you remember my big one? Hold on. This one. She has a small one. So now we just all have matching strawberry bags. But look how cute this one is. It's like a little handle and it is different. The little gingham on the inside. Oh my gosh. I'm very excited about this one. I need to start collecting pens. We're going to unbox this bad boy together. Why is it right there? Why was it right there? I saw one. I think, is there only one in here? Okay, refresher. I'm Minjae biased, right? But Yoojun and Hunter, the twins, my bias wreckers. Like those are my little brothers slash, no, that's what they are, my little brothers. Girl, was that Yoojun? Is that Yoojun right there? I'm not looking. I saw like half a second. I'll show you first because that's how we do it around here. You're joking. The back. Oh, this one is so cute. You get to see first? I'm thinking this is Hyunwoo. It feels like Hyunwoo. Wait, do I have this one? No, I don't, right? It's a different version. It's a different photo card set. It's Jinshi. Hey. Oh, with the bow. It's the same outfit. He just has a bow. Good pulls here. I think that's it, right? There's more PCs? I know there's a Polaroid, right? Okay. I got Hunter with the other version. When did we start giving out all kinds of PCs? But let's keep it going. Don't get me wrong. Polaroid. I have Hunter for the other version. I'm feeling this is, dude, Sumin. I think this is Sumin. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's Hunter, by the way. 2 more PCs and then we'll wrap it up, I promise. PC number 1. Oh my god, Junmin. This is my first Junmin PC. Junmin. That background is so cool. Okay, last one. Sumin, because I don't have Sumin. I have this one. I have this one. Rhea gave me this one. I think this is the one at KCON that Rhea just like gave to me. Hey, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm glad to know that he knows where home is. The Hunter postcard. I think I got Hyunwoo for the other one. So cutie. Okay, that completes everything for this mini vlog. I'm hoping it's mini. Yeah, we literally left at like 9 and we came back at 9. So it was a cute little 12-hour trip to LA/Garden Grove. Thank you so much, friends, for hanging out with me yet again on my little random K-pop-y festivities and meeting up with my friends. That I feel like Yami lives in like a different state and I'm always so surprised to see her. But we truly are both Cali girls. She's just Bay Area. That is all for today. As you can see, I have my suitcase on the floor and I leave to Mexico City in 2 days. So this is my progress so far. It's empty, but I'll start eventually. So I'm gonna go do that now, all right? Thank you friends so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Next Friday. Wait, no, wait. This is coming out on Tuesday. This Friday. Hey. Dude, by the way, let me explain what this move is because it's my go-to move. It's the DJ move. I tried explaining it to Yami and she laughed in my face. You have one hand on your headset, on your headphones, and then you have the turntables. The DJ. Okay, whatever. I will see you this Friday. Okay.